Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial we're going to show you really quickly how you can add a custom avatar to your workspace really quickly. So let us get started right away. Head over to ClickUp, log into your account and select the workspace in the top left. And as you can see guys, if I click on that arrow down icon next to my workspace name in the top left corner here of that home screen, you'll see that this is the current avatar for that given workspace. So you may customize it and replace a pretty random or default avatar like that with a custom one. To do that, simply head over to your workspace settings by clicking on settings below. And after that, you will be headed over to your workspace settings. So here you may, for instance, change your workspace name or, for instance, delete the given workspace. Or guys, if you'd like to change the avatar, simply click on it. And instead of selecting a workspace color, you may do that of course as well. Simply click on add custom avatar and upload the given file in JPEG or PNG format, for instance, or file format to make it your new workspace avatar. And once that's done guys, don't forget to confirm by clicking on save here. And that should do it guys. These changes will then be applied instantaneously so that you may now, from now on, use your custom avatar for your workspace. That's how it works guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time.